Good morning.
Today, we'll be following you closely all day long.
Yes, thank you very much.
What are your plans for today?
We have the opening ceremony first in the morning, and then the Governor Ishikawa Prefecture will visit us. I will give him a briefing. We also have a lot of visitors. We will also be giving a presentation in front of machines. Our booth is located right after entering Hall 4. You can see Nakamotome's booth from here. The black and white exterior of machine is one of our features. This booth is also stylishly decorated black and white. The governor might come before the opening ceremony. If he only came after the opening ceremony, I will have 5 minutes to explain. Then, could we start with the machine? We'll start the morning meeting early because we have an important visitor at 9 a.m. Good morning, everyone. We all speak with confidence, and above all, we all have fun together. I look forward to working with you all today. It's like this.
Do you have morning meeting every time?
Every meeting includes exchange information. We usually have a morning meeting before the exhibition opens.
I see that the sticker board have already been put up.
They are already put up before the opening, right? Before the opening of the exhibition, vendor came and put the sticker board. And some of my friends put up the sticker board also.
I also saw that you are very active on social networking site.
Especially the scenery of the exhibition, people who couldn't make it to the event can experience it in virtual way by the social media.
The governor came.
Oh, he's here? Good morning! This is simulation software.
Always simulation.
I finish it here digitally, and all we have to do is a little bit more with the machine. Today, Mr. Governor, I prepared the machine for you. I was wondering if you could push the button. The machine has just started working. I'd like to show you an actual machining process with the machine today. This is a strong style heavy-duty cutting. You can see spark coming out from the machining. It's cutting very stably and heavily load. And if you look at the surface, you can see the beautiful finish.
Isn't it hot?
Yeah, it's a little hot. It's just a level where you can touch it.
Really? That's great.
Alright, I'm going to post it.
Do you usually post on social media site in the morning?
I usually post at 7 o'clock in the morning and twice a day if possible. I aim to post 3 p.m. when everyone is break. But you know, it's not easy. I'll take pictures thing I find interesting when I'm in showroom. I always looking for something. It's rare for machines to manufacture to communicate in casual way. There's certain stiff atmosphere, but it's also fun to decorate a machine, and I think it's an opportunity for machine tool maker to enjoy the special day and event like this. I hope it will be easier to do so for customers and other place. That's what we are trying to do.
So all you have to do now is waiting for the exhibition start?
The opening time is 9:30, so it will be in a few minutes.
How many people are expected to come this year?
We have a list of 30 or 40 companies, and they will actually come to the show, plus somewhere on the day of the show. We are expecting a lot of customers to come this year. It's a great opportunity to get to know our customer. I think it's a very good thing about the exhibition that we can show actual product and communicate the customer. I'd like to share this opportunity with all of you. It's already open. They are already coming in. Yeah, let's tell everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we are already in session. The guests are already flowing in. Hello,
Hello.
this is a sample of aircraft parts.
Do you talk to customer by yourself?
If I have time, I'll talk to them.
あ、そうです。ずっと面識があったんです。しっかり見られて。大変であれ書くのがなんかね。
There was a machine we delivered last year. Did it go well too?
It went well. We started using a robot for the first time.
We have some experience with the robot automation. It's tough but valuable. It's wonderful that your company is leading the way. It's great that you are talking on so many challenges in the positive way. Higashiyama-san's company is our supplier and he also installed our machine.
I'm fan of Nakamura Tome.
We are glad to you always give us your opinion in a straightforward manner.
We've been getting a lot of visitors.
In our case, the timing of start the event, we got a lot of visitors.
Was that local media?
It's going to be on the news in this evening. I'd like to open up this space. Let's move this one forward a little bit. I think we are going to fill this space.
Are you preparing for the presentation now?
Well, do it over here. I'd like to make a presentation in front of the actual machine. We still have about 30 minutes left. Every sales marketing staff and I make presentation by ourselves, which have become a tradition. I'm going to do the presentation here. I hope you'll be able to watch it. Thank you very much. So thank you very much for coming to Nakamura Tome booth. My name is Nakamura, the president of Nakamura Tome. Everyone call me Maru-san in Japan. So please call me Maru-san.
これ12角のタレットなわけなんですけども、12角のタレットだと普通に12本の工具がつくと思うのが普通です。
Thank you very much for your attention.
How was it?
It's great to so many people watching us. It was a lot of fun.
Are you going to have lunch now?
I'll go now and come back later.
You mean you eat whenever you see the opportunity?
Yeah, it's like that every time. I eat very fast.
What did you have for lunch today?
Shiba Zushi is a famous sushi store in Ishikawa, Japan. It's happened to be my favorite bento today. I'm going to eat it. Oh, it's delicious. So it's a bit busy for the first day, isn't it? Normally on the first day the number of visitors is small and it increases toward Friday and then or Saturday and there are more families. But at Jimtov it's quite different. For example, the first day was quite busy and the third day was busy again. I wonder if this kind of trend is changing little by little.
Have you been participating in exhibition for a quite long time?
I joined the company about 8 years ago. My first year was a part of the training, you know. At that time, I worked in various divisions. I worked for the design division, sales division, production division, and the corporate division. At that time, I participated in Mex Kanazawa as a sales 7 years ago. I made presentation to the Governor Hase today. I made presentation to the former Governor Tanimoto at that time. Mr. Kigoshi, who was the managing director at that time, was very good about explaining machines to the former Governor Tanimoto. So Mr. Kigoshi said, I've been doing this all this time, but from now on, you'll be in charge. Suddenly he said, I had just returned from the business trip to the US. I had only about 3 days before the exhibition. Mr. Kigoshi told me at that time, practice about 100 times. If you do it with a microphone in front of many people in practice, you will be able to do it. So I practiced over and over again. I gained a lot of confidence from the experience. I became more focused on presentation. Through those experiences, I realized how important it is.
It's been 8 years since you joined the company. How many years has been since you became president?
So it's been just over a year since I became president.
How did you become the president?
Actually, I talked with the chairman of the board at various things. I went around. I started about 3 years before I became president. We have been working with a new team. In fact, when I took over, we are able to do new things smoothly. I'm very grateful for that. I would say the chairman team, warm and supportive. I think it's very good succession for us.
What did chairman say to you when you became president?
What's important for us is to grow together with our member of Nakamura Tome and to value our customer and our members. This has been one of the keys since the foundation of the company. I think even the chairman think I don't have to say this. It's something that we share each other. I think it's important to talk thing over while working together. We have a good relationship. I'm grateful for that. It was delicious. Okay, I'm going for the ice cream. What do you recommend?
Strawberry and chocolate.
Can I have strawberry? Delicious. It's like cake inside. I had it all. It was delicious. It was delicious. Thank you.
Now, will you see you at the booth?
Yes, I will come back.
工作会のエアバッグ、中村留のエアバッグはそれとはまたちょっと違います。
Thank you very much for your hard work today.
Yes, thank you.
How was your day?
It was the first day. We had a lot of visitors. It's a nice start for us.
The sticker board was filled up quite well.
They are filled up earlier than Jimto. We are so happy to see the Samo machine tool maker from the other company came to write on sticker board.
Lastly, what does Nakamatome mean to you?
Working together with our members and moving forward cut the burden of manufacturing. Well, I think it's a big freedom shift for this object. We are machine tool manufacturer with a sweet tooth, so we keep adding more and more sweets like this at the end. So when we couldn't eat all of them in the exhibition, we shared them with everyone and went home. It's funny to see everyone watching me, isn't it?